Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, we are going to be doing another nature cinematic, and I'm going to try my best to post almost every day a new nature cinematic, but if I can't, you know I already have something that day. So I will probably post the days that I am free. If you would, just hit the post notifications when you hit the subscribe button, and that will help me greatly. Hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will catch you at the outro. Hi guys, I hope you did enjoy that video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. I will be posting probably tomorrow if I do not have anything going on, like I said before. Make sure to subscribe, and I will be posting every day. I hope you do enjoy, and I'll see you next time.